Hello everyone, this is a Xbox Series S. The customer said overheated issue, so he plays the game maybe 1 hour to 2 hours, then the console turns off and showing the overheat error on the screen. It sometimes is less than 1 hour it turns off. It depends the game. So we plug it to the power. You can see how the fan is doing. The console is off. Yeah, the Xbox, when you plug it to the power, the fan is gonna start spinning for a little bit, then it's gonna go off before you press the power button. This one, the fan is go like quarter circle and stopped. Okay, let's power it on. You can see the console is on. The fan is not spinning. Yeah, the display is fine and the TV console works fine, but the fan is not spinning. Already clean up the heatsink, put a new thermal paste, because that's the first thing you do on any console being open. So in this case, we are gonna replace the fan, right? So it's an easy job. So just remove the fan. It's just one connector. I got this fan. This one has 5 blades. This one has 7 blades. So this is an upgrade one for this one. This is cooling more fast than this one. Yeah. Pushing the cold air to the heatsink more than the other one. But it has the same connector, it's a 12-volt fan. And let's plug it and see if that's the problem. Sample process replacing the fan. So we plug the console to the power. The fan starts spinning. Good. That's a good thing. So I may spin for a little bit, then it will goes off. Yeah, because the heatsink is a little bit warm from the previous test. That's why the fan is going to stay on for a while. So let's power it on. Yeah, the heatsink is warm from the previous. Yeah, I'm gonna put a game and leave it for maybe 10 minutes or so, and we'll come back. Yeah, it's been about like 7-10 minutes. Yeah, the heat sink is pretty warm. It's getting very hot. But the thing is, the fan, it doesn't change the speed. The fan, it stay at the same speed. It's not blowing a lot of air. There's a constant speed. And the game is on, I'm not playing it. Just like the game is just stay over there. I mean, if I push the game and put more graphic, it's gonna get hot quicker. Yeah, the temperature is still rising. I'll give it another 10 minutes and we see. Yep, the temperature is still rising. And the console is, the fan is not speeding up at all. It's barely feel the hot air is going out. It's not pushing the cold air to the heatsink. So this console it have other issue. It's not spinning with the good speed to cool down the heatsink. Yeah, if you check online, you're gonna see a lot of people they have the same issue. Yeah, some of them like they mentioned the fan, but the fan we already put it, and some of them is the heatsink. But lately, I think this is something wrong with the sensor in the CPU. Yeah, the sensor in the CPU is not working right to detect how hot is the heatsink or the CPU to speed up the fan to cool it down. So we are going to test the fan to see if it's going to have a full speed or something wrong with this fan. Yeah, the first pin right here, the connector is go this way. So the first pin is the ground, the second pin is the 12 volt. One if this fan is shall be the sensor, like to detect how fast is the fan, and the other pin is the signal to control the speed fan. So I'm gonna leave just, if you disconnect just one of them, the system can't read the speed, the fan speed, or can't send the fan signal to slow down, because the voltage here is always 12 volt. It's stable. To slow down the fan, we need a signal from one of these pins. So if we remove this pin here, and that's going to push the fan to go for a whole speed, like a full speed. You hear the fan? That's a full speed. And I can feel the hot air is going. Yeah, it's going in quick now. But remember, the console is off. And you don't want the fan keep running full speed all the time. We want to control this. So when the 12 volt, the second pin, we have 11.8. The fan is running at full speed. And how we can control that? We are going to put a potentiometer to this pin, and we are going to control the voltage in that pin, because the system is going to detect that's the voltage is a rise here, the fan is going to go high or go lower. So that's how the system is detecting is controlling the fan speed. So just a regular potentiometer. I have this one. I think this one is maybe, this is 100 kilo ohm. Yeah, this is big. I think 1 kilo ohm potentiometer it will be better, because it's 100 kilo ohm. You have to turn it just a little bit, like a minute. But if it is low ohm potentiometer, you can turn it far and the speed is going to rise slowly. So I solder the wire to the middle pin of the potentiometer, and this one it has the same size of this metal clip here. Let's go on this one. So you see the wire. And this wire, we are gonna just plug it right here. So let's plug the console. Here the fan spinning is a high speed. So I turn the potentiometer completely off, and you can see the speed is slowed down. So let's turn it on. And we are gonna raise the speed just to be like hearing the fan a little bit more faster, but it's not very loud. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a good speed, or we can slow it down just a little bit. Okay, you can see now it's slow. Yep, now the fan is fast. I can feel the air, and it's not very like it's not a lot of noise. So yeah, I may just put this potentiometer here. So I will leave it for 10 minutes. I will check the temperature of the heatsink to see if I need to raise the speed or not. Alright, it's been on for a while and it's working fine. Yeah, the heatsink temperature is low. It's not very warm like it was before. So I'm just gonna take the wire because it's long and I put just small wire. Alright, so let's put the UV glue. And even you can put this potentiometer outside and control. Yeah, even you can put this potentiometer outside the box and you can control it from outside too. Yep, I think that's good enough. Alright, let's put the console together. Yeah, the fan is not that loud. Alright, the console is on. You can hear the fan. Yeah, I can feel the air is blowing. The customer was here a minute ago and I did show him what I did. And they did show him the different speed. And he chose the fan to be high speed, like a little bit more than normal. So I said it will be a little bit that noise, but he said he doesn't care because they already have another fan on the room that's making more noise than this. So he just wants it faster. So the console is fixed. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.